What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're not giving away money, but we're showing you how to make it yourselves for free. That's right, you don't need a single dollar to start raking in the dough with these 5 easy methods. We're talking freelancing, surveys, selling your old stuff, affiliate marketing, and even becoming the next YouTube sensation. Stick around till the very end because we're breaking down each method step by step so you can start cashing in ASAP.
All right, first up, we're diving into the world of freelancing. It's an exciting and dynamic way to turn your skills into a steady stream of income. Now, freelancing is basically getting paid to do work for people online. Think writing, graphic design, editing, even virtual assisting. The possibilities are endless, and there's something for everyone. And the best part, you can often start with little to no experience. It's all about leveraging what you already know and building from there. Step 1. Figure out what you're good at. This is crucial because your skills are your currency in the freelancing world. Do you rock at writing Instagram captions? Boom, freelance social media manager. Social media is a booming field with endless opportunities. Are you a coding wizard? Hello, website developer. Coding skills are in high demand, and you can work on a variety of projects. Once you've found your niche, it's time to build a portfolio. This is your chance to showcase your best work and make a great first impression. This doesn't have to be fancy, just gather some samples of your work to show potential clients. Even personal projects can be a great addition. Next up, sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms are gateways to a world of opportunities. These are like online marketplaces where you can find gigs and connect with clients. It's where the magic happens. When you're setting up your profile, be sure to highlight your skills and experience, even if it's just from personal projects. Make it compelling and professional. Remember, first impressions are everything. A professional photo and a well-written bio can make a huge difference. Now, for the fun part, finding gigs. This is where you get to explore different opportunities and see what excites you. Browse through job postings, paying attention to the project descriptions and client reviews. This will help you find the best matches for your skills. When you find something that piques your interest, don't be afraid to send a killer proposal. This is your chance to shine. Be sure to tailor it to the specific project, showcasing your skills and why you're the perfect fit. Personalization can set you apart from the competition. And here's a pro tip: start with smaller projects to build your reputation and get some positive reviews. These reviews are gold in the freelancing world. As you gain experience and confidence, you can start tackling bigger and higher paying gigs. The sky's the limit. Freelancing is all about putting yourself out there, delivering quality work, and building a solid reputation. Consistency and reliability are key. So, what are you waiting for? Go get 'em! Your skills are your ticket to financial freedom and professional fulfillment.
Next up, we're talking about a super easy way to make some extra cash online surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for your honest opinions. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a simple way to earn a little something in your spare time. First things first, you gotta find legit survey sites. There are tons out there, but some of the most popular and reliable ones include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Once you've picked a few platforms, sign up and create your profile. Be as detailed as possible. The more information you provide, the more surveys you'll qualify for. Now here's the deal. Not every survey is a winner. Some might not be the best fit for you, and that's okay. Just be patient and keep checking your inbox for new opportunities. When you do find a survey that interests you, read the description carefully to see how long it takes and how much it pays. Oh, and a little heads up. Be honest with your answers. Survey companies can tell if you're just clicking through to get paid, and that could get you disqualified. Keep it real, share your thoughts, and those rewards will start rolling in. It's as easy as that.
Chapter 3. Turn your trash into treasure selling unused items online. Let's be real, we've all got that one drawer or maybe a whole closet full of stuff we never use. It's easy to accumulate things over time, and before you know it, you're surrounded by items you don't even remember buying. Well, guess what? That clutter could be your ticket to some serious cash. Imagine turning those forgotten items into something valuable. Selling unused items online is a fantastic way to declutter your space and line your pockets at the same time. Win-win. Not only do you get a cleaner home, but you also get extra money to spend on things you actually need or want. First, you gotta decide what to sell. clothes, electronics, books, and even household items. Collectibles? If you can think of it, chances are someone out there wants to buy it. Even those quirky items you think no one would want might be exactly what someone is looking for. Once you've gathered your goods, it's time to choose your platform. The right platform can make a big difference in how quickly and easily you sell your items. For clothes and accessories, Poshmark and Depop are super popular. They have a large user base specifically looking for fashion items. If you've got electronics to offload, eBay and Swappa are great options. These platforms are trusted by buyers looking for gadgets and tech. And for pretty much anything else, Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist are your go-tos. They're versatile and have a wide audience. Now here's the key to selling your stuff like a pro high-quality photos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when selling online. Good lighting, clear shots, and a clean background can make a huge difference, and multiple angles are crucial. Show every side of the item to give potential buyers a complete view. Think of it this way: you're essentially creating an online storefront, so make it look good. A professional-looking listing can attract more buyers. Write clear and concise descriptions, highlighting the item's condition and any unique features. Be honest about any flaws to build trust with buyers. And when it comes to pricing, do your research. Knowing the market value helps you set a competitive price. Check out similar items on the same platform to get an idea of what people are willing to pay. This can help you avoid pricing too high or too low. Be realistic with your pricing, but don't be afraid to negotiate a little. Flexibility can lead to quicker sales. Remember, the goal is to get rid of your stuff and make some money, so be open to offers. Happy selling.
Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing. Earn passive income by recommending products. Alright guys, this next method is how you can make money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing. Basically, you partner with a company and promote their products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the pressure of cold calling or closing deals. First things first, you gotta find a niche. What are you passionate about? What are you knowledgeable in? Once you've got that figured out, start researching companies that offer affiliate programs in your chosen niche. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, as they have a massive selection of products and a user-friendly platform. Now here's where the real work comes in: promoting those products. You can write blog posts, create social media content, make YouTube videos. The possibilities are endless. The key is to provide valuable content that genuinely helps your audience and naturally incorporates your affiliate links. Don't be spammy. Focus on building trust and providing recommendations that make sense for your followers. Remember, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build an audience, establish trust, and start seeing consistent income. But with dedication and high-quality content, you can turn your passion into a profitable side hustle.
Chapter 5. Content Creation. Lights, Camera, Cash. Alright, for the final money-making method, we're stepping into the world of content creation. This is where your creativity can truly shine, and where your personality can captivate an audience. If you've got a knack for storytelling, a passion for sharing your knowledge, or just love being in front of the camera, this one's for you. It's all about connecting with people and sharing your unique perspective. From YouTube to TikTok to Instagram, there are tons of platforms where you can share your unique voice and monetize your content. Each platform has its own vibe and audience, so it's important to find the one that fits you best. First things first, choose your platform wisely. Think about where your target audience spends their time and what type of content you enjoy creating the most. YouTube is great for longer-form videos, where you can dive deep into topics and build a loyal subscriber base. TikTok is perfect for short, engaging clips that can go viral quickly and reach a massive audience in no time. And Instagram is ideal for a mix of photos, videos, and stories, allowing you to showcase different aspects of your life and interests. Once you've found your perfect match, it's time to start creating. This is where the fun begins. Brainstorm content ideas that align with your interests and resonate with your target audience. Think about what excites you and what value you can provide to others. Here's the thing about content creation. Consistency is key. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Establish a regular posting schedule and stick to it as much as possible. This helps build anticipation and loyalty among your followers. The more you post, the more visible you'll become, and the more your audience will grow. Engagement is crucial, so interact with your followers and build a community. And the more opportunities you'll have to grow your audience. Remember, it's not just about the numbers, but about creating meaningful connections. And don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats and styles to see what works best for you and your audience. Now let's talk monetization. Once you've built a decent following, you can start exploring ways to make money from your content. There are several avenues to consider. On YouTube, you can enable monetization through ads, which can provide a steady stream of income as your views increase. Join the YouTube Partner Program, which offers additional perks and revenue opportunities, and even secure brand deals. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. On TikTok, you can earn money through the Creator Fund, live gifting, and brand partnerships. These can be lucrative if you have a strong following. And on Instagram, you can monetize through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting products and selling your own products or services. This can be a great way to turn your passion into a profitable business.
And there you have it, folks. 5 easy and totally free ways to start making money. Remember, the key to success with any of these methods is to put in the work, stay consistent, and never give up on your goals. Who knows, you might just surprise yourself with how much money you can make with a little creativity and hustle. So, what are you waiting for? Choose your favorite method, take action, and start building your own financial freedom. And don't forget to share your success stories in the comments below. We love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money. Share your own money-making stories in the comments below.